How can mindfulness change the culture of an organization? By Christopher Shelton, um, at Athens State University under the leadership of Dr. Timothy Thornton. So, stress management. So, one of the ways in culture for organization to have mindfulness is stress management. So, if they are mindful about the stress management or the workload in that case, you have lower stress among your employees, higher work engagement, and having a flexible schedule to where they're either off on Wednesdays or can be at home on Wednesdays working and Fridays, or have Fridays off or working on Fridays from home will bring better stress management to the company. Self-awareness, as far as the owners go, or even like the company board, being mindful of others, like for holidays, letting the employees off to spend time with the kids, showing empathy if like someone's going through a hard time, allowing them to have time with their loved ones if someone's passed, or even having a way to support them if someone's sick. Understanding your own work style, giving out a work test. Some people work better at home and other people work better in the office, and keeping those two separate. So allowing them to have that flexibility will help grow your company. Employee engagement. More would like to work on special projects, allowing people over time to have their own special program projects going on. Dr. Thornton gave the example of Google. Google was allowing 1 day a week of their employees, allowing them to work on their own special project, and look what all sorts of Google ideas have came out of that. Better company morale, allowing them to be able to work and have better camaraderie. More willingness to work overtime. Paying for overtime sometimes allows the extra Christmas gift or even bonus to the people that need to work for their kids' Christmases. So allowing that overtime allows and helps out. Better decision making. So be able to make better decisions for the organization. Sometimes either going with a higher costed laptop or computer is the better decision because it lasts longer and your company won't be running crappy computers on trying to run the new things on crappy stuff. More active with having a great management staff. Sometimes as an owner, you're not around the company a lot, so having a great management staff that can come back to you with great ideas and stuff will help out. More hands-on with listening to employee concerns and ideas. Sometimes as an owner, you can get distracted listening to your employees, and those ideas can be better. Corporate environment. So creating the corporate halls with peace and harmony. The ability to collaborate in the office to share new ideas. An open door policy to address any complaints or anything that would relate to the work environment. Sometimes having that open door policy with your management and even some of your employees allows them to actually take that time to vent or even address any complaints. And that as an owner or just as a business as a whole will have better camaraderie in the workplace, and it'll make you more focused on the ideas and be able to communicate with everybody. And these are my references.